what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are testing out a new foundation, and this one is a super affordable foundation. This is like a $5 foundation. This is the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation. You can find it at the Dollar General. I'm just super excited. Look at this. It's a glass bottle. It has a pump, a gold pump. Just so luxurious looking. I can't believe it's at the Dollar General and that it's only $5. $5 or $6. I'm gonna say $6 just in case it's $5.99 or something like that. But this is so affordable. So I'm super excited to put this to the test. It is there's a snowstorm outside. So we're really gonna put this to the test because I'm planning on going out and sledding with my boys. So I hope you are excited. If you are new, hi, welcome. I'm Bondbeautyful. Subscribe to the channel, join the family, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I upload 2-3 times a week, so make sure you're subscribed. Also, if you aren't patient, like I'm not patient, and you want sneak peeks every single time I try a new foundation, you want to be following my Instagram, Bondbeautyful, because that day that I'm filming, I will do check-ins with you guys and give you sneak peeks of the foundation before I post the video. So make sure you're following me at Bondbeautyful to see those. I'm going to say that a lot probably in this video. I don't know. But this is how my reviews go. My reviews are super in-depth. I bring you in so close so you can really see how the foundation looks on my dry skin. I do have olive skin too, so we're going to talk about the shade match. We're going to swatch this to other foundations that match me. I also have a list down below in the description box, so you can check that out. If you're trying to shade match with me and use me as a reference, you can definitely do so. I hope you guys are excited. Get excited. And yeah, let's just get started.
Okay, here we go. Swatches from left to right. We have first the Believe foundation in buff. Next we have the Rare Beauty foundation in 280N. Then we have the NARS soft matte in Stromboli. Then we have the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 220 natural beige. Then we have the Fresh Wear foundation in golden beige. Basically, if you wear Fit Me 220, you should fit this foundation shade.
I have nothing on my face. I'm ready to start with some primer. And because this foundation is matte and we're in the winter and it is like a snowstorm outside, I'm going to put a primer on that's a little bit more hydrating. And we're going to test it out like that. So I'm going to use this Laneige Glow Makeup Serum. This is one of my favorites. So I'm going to put this on, and this is what I would honestly do if you have dry skin and you're going to put a matte foundation on. Like, you need a really hydrating one, especially in the winter time. So these jelly ones are so good. So I'm going to put this on my face. And I have the shade Buff. This is the Believe Beauty, you already know, the Skin Finish Foundation. It's supposed to be medium to full coverage, so let's start by putting it on. On this side of the face, I'm going to use a sponge. This is just the Tapatio Hip Dot Sponge. And then on this side of the face, I will use a brush. And if you want to see the tutorial for this eye look, for this full makeup look, that's going to be up. It should be up already. I'll link it up in an iCard so you can go check that out. Alright, so I just put a little bit because it's medium to full coverage. I didn't want to get cake face, so I just put only a little bit on. And I'm going to blend it. I think this is a very good shade match for me. I am going to be going out and we're going to be like sledding and being out in the snow, so we'll see how dry the foundation gets. So I'm going to put a little bit more on now because you can see it's like a light medium. You can still see my freckles like right here. So I'm going to get in. Whoa! I just covered that all up. Got full coverage, so it's saying that it's medium to full coverage. You can definitely build it. So here's one side of the face done. You can see my other side, my imperfections, and this side just looks a little more flawless. I feel like with the brush side, I got straight medium coverage. So I'm going to put, excuse me, I'm going to put a little bit more. build it. So there we go. That's how the foundation looks. I think it's nice. So I think it has a very natural finish. Like it's not too matte. It's a pretty good shade match. So I'm going to put on my concealer, my powder. Oh, it's kind of setting on its own. I might not need to put that much powder, just powder maybe along the jawline. Yeah, because it's kind of setting on its own, even with that glowy primer underneath. So I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll be back. Okay, so I finished the rest of my makeup. I have this tutorial up, so I'll link it up in an iCard for you if you're curious and you want to see it. But let's talk about the foundation. So I sprayed this side of my face, this side right here. I sprayed that with the Milani Make It Last setting spray, and let's see what it looks like. Wow, this foundation looks so good. So good. I can't believe how freaking affordable it is. It's kind of sunk in a little bit to this forehead crease, but not bad. And I love the sprayed side. I loved both sides. The spray side looks more like it makes my skin look more plumpy. It's really kind of mushed into the skin better, where it just looks more healthy. It has like a healthiness to it. This side is a little bit more flat, but that will go away the longer I wear it. So if you don't use those setting spray, you don't have to worry about that. I feel like it just gets better the longer you wear it. But it does look a little powdery. Now, I did set around my chin, my nose, my forehead, and that's about it. I didn't set my cheeks. So that's kind of what's helping it not look so cakey and powdery too, I feel like. I do think it's like a medium full coverage. You can definitely build it up to full coverage and it's not going to look like a cake face, which is really, really good. This looks like something that's a perfect glam foundation for a very affordable price. So I'm really excited to see how it wears. The true test is it gonna transfer? Because it hasn't oxidized on me. It doesn't oxidize. So is it going to transfer? And how's it going to do out with the snow, the wet snow on my face? So we're really going to have to test that out and see. But anyways, I'll check in with you guys at the 5-hour mark. I might do like a daylight test. I might show you guys how this looks also in natural lighting at some point during the day. But wish me luck, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I'm showing you guys in natural lighting how the foundation looks. We're actually about to go out and start sledding. Look at all that snow. Can you guys see that? Look at my hubby out there shoveling away. So this is what it looks like in natural lighting. And there's no filter. It just is one of those foundations that just smooths it out. I mean, you can see my line there. This is the side I sprayed. Looks pretty good. Okay, so this is how my makeup looks. It's been 5 hours, and let me just say I love it. It's holding up great. I'm about to go skiing, not skiing, sledding, and it looks really, really good. Flawless. My pictures are turning out flawless. It looks great in natural lighting. I'm super excited, you guys. This foundation is looking bomb. So I'll check back with you guys at the end of the night and we'll see how the foundation lasted throughout this whole day. So this is how my face looks. It's been like 14 hours. And this is how it looks. And I've been shoveling snow. I've been sledding. I've been working and organizing, trying to clean my whole house for Christmas. Sink into my forehead lines a little bit, but it doesn't bother me. So good on the rest of my face. I really like the foundation. 10 out of 10, amazing, doesn't transfer, medium to full coverage, lasts all day with my dry skin, looks great, amazing. I definitely would spray my whole face. Looks very, very smooth, doesn't show off my pores. I'm really happy, you guys. It's a really good foundation. Sorry, everyone's sleeping. It's so late. It's like 12 o'clock. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the review. I love it. 10 out of 10. It's so good for $5. So amazing. Subscribe before you leave. I love you guys. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.